Hello, today we will guide you through how to invest in ETFs on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll move from opening Trading 212 to placing a buy order, keeping everything simple and clear so you feel confident at each step. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. You'll land on the main dashboard where you can access the search bar at the top. That search bar is your quickest route to any exchange-traded fund. Type the name or ticker of the ETF you're interested in. As you type, suggestions will appear. Take a brief moment to confirm you've picked the correct listing by checking the exchange and the ETF's description. Click on the ETF to open its detail page. Here you can see a price chart, basic information, and sometimes insights into its holdings. It's a good place to double check that this is the fund you intended to buy and to glance at recent price movement so you're aware of current market conditions. When you're ready to proceed, select the buy option. This opens the order ticket where you choose how much you want to invest. You can usually enter either a cash amount or a specific number of shares. If you enter a cash amount, the platform will show the estimated shares you'll receive based on the current price. If you enter shares, it will calculate the total cost. Take your time here to make sure the numbers align with your plan. Next, choose your order type. A market order aims to buy immediately at the best available price during market hours. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. The order will only execute at that price, or better. A stop order becomes active once the market reaches your chosen stop price, and a stop limit order combines a stop trigger with a specific limit price, giving you more control over execution. If price control is important, consider a limit or stop limit. If speed is your priority, a market order is straightforward. Once everything looks right, select Review Order. You'll see a summary with the ETF symbol, quantity or amount, order type, and the estimated cost. Read this carefully to avoid mistakes. Finally, choose Send Buy Order to confirm. Market orders typically execute quickly during market hours, while limit, stop, and stop limit orders will remain pending until their conditions are met. And that's it. Your ETF investment is on its way. Remember to review your choices before confirming and invest according to your risk tolerance and goals.